Back to my channel, and today's video is going to be my monthly favorites for the month of January. I don't have a lot of things because I've been kind of using the same thing since December, but I do have a few products that I've kind of incorporated into my daily and or weekly routine. So if you want to see what those are, then just keep watching. Alright, the first thing that is my favorite for this month is a teeth whitening kit. I kind of talked about it in my haul. I have the empty box here. This is the Dial a Smile from Gerard Cosmetics, and they did send me this, but I have been using this for years, and I said in that video, like, I discovered them through Carly Bybel, watching her use it, so I purchased multiple ones of these on my own, but they did send this to me and I love it. I actually just used it this morning. But if you're not familiar with it, it is an at-home teeth whitening kit that you do in 20 minutes. I use it about twice a week right now because I'm trying to get my teeth whiter quicker, but you don't have to use it that often. I do. It's safe. It doesn't irritate my teeth. It doesn't you know, cause any sensitivity or whatnot. But I'll kind of show you what you get here. You get these pads that basically you dry and wipe and clean your teeth off with. They're kind of minty. And then you get the actual whitening gel. This has 3 uses in it. And then you also get the teeth whitening dial to kind of see your before and after and judge your results. It also comes with a little tiny brush to brush that gel onto your teeth, and it also comes with a little cup that I've seemed to misplace. I always lose that. I think I've only ever used it once in every kit I've ever had. But it also comes with an LED light that you just put in your mouth. I dropped it and the battery fell out, and I'm too lazy to like search for it. But the light comes on, and then you just put it in your mouth for 20 minutes and it whitens your teeth. And this kit also came with a teeth whitening pen. I've talked about it here on my channel before, but it just looks like this, and I use this in between the treatments. Once I get my teeth as white as they can get, I will use this in between and kind of use the kit farther apart. So I'll use this like once every 2 weeks, and then use this in between to kind of keep the results going. I really like this pen. I use it in the morning and the evening, and it really helps keep your teeth whiter. So I really have been enjoying that. Like I said, I've been using it for years, but I kind of just got back to using it since I got my braces off, because I had my braces for 2 years, so I couldn't use a teeth whitening kit, and now I'm just trying to get my teeth really, really white again. So I do recommend that. There is a discount code. It's not an affiliate code or anything like that. I actually use it when I buy the products myself, but I will link it down below, and I think it's to get this for just $25. If you're interested, it'll be down below. Next item that I've been loving all month long, I'm wearing it on my